In our last class, we have done work on ANOVA, and today our task is regression. How to perform regression in R. Regression in R. You don't need to follow me. Just understand, watch and understand. Then I will give you time for completion your task. First understand, then I will give you time. No, just watch. Regression. When you want to perform any analysis, any type of statistical analysis, for example, you want to perform SEM, you want to perform CA, you want to perform CCA, PCA, or anything which you want to perform in R, four questions should be arised in your mind. Question number one. What is regression? Question number two. Why do we perform regression? Third question. Types of regression. And next is sample data table for each type of regression. So you need to ask these four questions. Okay. Now I want to proceed for next step. I am going to copy. You don't follow me. Just wait. Copy. Open ChatGPT. Paste here and write a message. Sorry, you don't need to write. Just send this message to ChatGPT. So here is a breakdown of your questions explained in a simple and clear way. So first question is, what is regression? Regression is a statistical method used to examine the relationship between the dependent variable and one or more independent variable. Regression shows you the relationship between dependent and independent variable. It helps us predict outcomes, understand relationship. Second, why do we perform regression? Number one, predict future values, understand influence, quantify relationship between the variables, control for confounding variables, and make decision based on data. These points, if your objectives include in these points, you can perform regression on your data. Type of regressions. So here are some different types of regressions with examples, and here is a sample data. I am sending this information with you within WhatsApp group. Now you have 5 minutes for reading. Please all participants read this instruction carefully, and then we will discuss on this point. I have sent information about regression. Please all participants read this instruction. Now you have 5 minutes. Read this instruction, then we will discuss in this topic. No, I am just waiting. When you have read, type done within Zoom chat. After reading all these things, type done. Okay, thank you. Now, you have read this information about regression. So here are type of regressions. First type is linear regression, description and example use case. It can be used to predict continuous values using one or more continuous variables. Multiple regression, linear regression but with multiple predictors. If you have one predictor, you can apply linear regression. If you have multiple predictors, you can use multiple regression. Logistic regression. If you have data set in the form of yes or no or 0 or 1, you can apply logistic regression. Polynomial regression. Fit a curved line using polynomial terms, modeling plant growth rate over time. Ridge and lasso regression, regularize regression to avoid overfitting. This is used for gene expression and analysis with many features. Bayesian regression, used when dependent variable is count data, predicting number of seeds per plant. Ordinal regression, multinomial regression. So, although some other types of regressions are also available, but important thing is you need to decide which type of regression is suitable or you can apply on your data set. So here is a simple data. A sample data for regression. So first is linear regression. We have only one predictor, that is temperature. Effect of temperature on plant height. If you have multiple factors, no, there are two factors, temperature and rainfall on plant height. Now you can apply multiple regression. Logistic regression, if your answer is in the form of yes or no or 0 or 1. Sorry. Logistic regression, if you have data set is in the form of yes or no, then you can apply logistic regressions. Polynomial regression. Like one variable with time. Bayesian regression, same. You have two factors, plot, fertilizer and seed count. If you have count data set, number of counts, you can apply Bayesian regression. Similarly, multinomial regression and so on. Now I need this file. So my field of study is plant science. ChatGPT have given me a sample data for plant science. For example, if I want to check for other field of studies like business, thanks, give sample data table for economics or any field of study which you give instruction, it will give you sample data for your field of study. Now here is a sample data for economic study. You just need to arrange your data set according to these instructions. Now I want to perform analysis on this data set. So thanks. Now I need this file. Thanks. Now give these tables in Excel file. It will give me all these tables in Excel file with downloadable link. Yes, here is the download economic. Click on download button. Here is the file, download. I am going to send this file in WhatsApp group. Please, all participants, download this file. Yes, Muhammad Ashraful Amin, you can also work on your own file. Yes, you can use other field science. Please let me know. I will give me your field of study name. I will send you file according to your field of study. Please all participant download this file and type done within Zoom chat. And import in R. Now when you click on import button, it will show you preview. Here are some sheets in this file. Linear regression, multiple regression, logistic regression. No, I want to perform linear regression. Click on this file. It will show you table for linear regression. Click import button. Okay, now I have this file in R. Take str. Please wait. Just import your file and watch instructions. After 10 minutes, I will give you time for completion all these tasks. Just understand. Here is the economic data str. Copy. Okay, wait, Ashraful Amin. Just give me time. I will share your screen. Open ChatGPT. Paste here. Because this file is for linear regression, write a message. I want to perform linear regression in R and want to visualize and send message. It will give you script for R script for analysis or linear regression analysis. ChatGPT has given me 4 steps. I need all code in single script. So here is the full script. Copy. Paste here and run these lines one by one. Also read instruction with each script. Here it is showing me set working directory or import file. I already have file in in R, so I don't need to run this line. It's showing that data frame not found because here ChatGPT have given data name to my file. So replace this one with your file name. Here is file name economics data. Here are the results for regression, and here is the regression plot. Copy, open WhatsApp group and share. Now please all participants perform other remaining analysis in R with the help of ChatGPT and share this result within group. I am here if you found any issue or error, you can share your screen. Please type clear and start your work. If you have any question, you can ask. If clear, type clear and start your work. Yes, Ashraf, share your screen. Where is your file? It's your original file or original data. So you have only one sheet. So import this sheet. Please import this sheet. Here first you need to understand which type of you have different type of variables. You have variables with the answer yes or no. You have percentage values and some other values. So here first you need to understand which type of regression you can apply. So open script. Take str. Open ChatGPT. New chat. When you want to use new data, open always new chat and write a message. I want to perform regression. I want to perform regression in R. Please check data structure. And suggest me which type of regression is suitable for this data. Yes, here are some type of scroll down regression option. Yes, you can apply logistic regression because you have data set 0 or 1. You can also apply linear regression for some variables. Okay, now run this script and also type a message. I want to visualize these results also and give me single script. Here are your result for logistic regression. Run next line. Yes. Okay, now you have plots and results. Okay, please do practice and share your results within group. You need to perform all these tasks. I'm I'm going to stop class. Please share your results within group. If you feel any difficulty or error, you can share your uh, error message within group.